Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make fried mozzarella. Utensils we need is spoon, tongs, plate, pot, knife, and spider. The ingredients we need is 100 gram of flour, 250 gram of mozzarella, a pinch of salt, water, and seasoned breadcrumbs. First, stir flour, a pinch of salt, and water in a bowl until it's getting thick. Dip a mozzarella into the butter, lift and press into breadcrumbs to coat. Place breaded mozzarella on a plate or wine rack. Repeat with remaining mozzarella. Store it in the freezer for about 15 minutes. After storing it in the freezer, use a tongue to lower the mozzarella into the hot oil. Then fry it until golden brown. Remove the mozzarella from heat and drain it. Place it into the plate and it's ready to serve. You can eat it with ketchup, mayonnaise, and sauce.